Hi guys, I'm Sajid Asraf, and today I'm gonna teach you how to reinstall your operating system using a bootable USB flash drive. Without further ado, let's get started. Reinstalling your operating system or formatting your PC is necessary if the PC was full of unnecessary files or files that may infect by viruses that will damage your computer. Let's start. First, be sure that your hard disk and RAM memory is in good condition so that you can avoid any problem when installing. Second, you need a bootable USB flash drive so that you can install your desired operating system like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, or Windows 10. Third, insert your bootable USB flash drive into the USB slot before turning on the computer. Fourth, turn on the PC, press numpad delete or F1 to enter in system setup. Use keypad arrow to go to the boot menu. Select the USB HDD or USB flash drive for priority booting disk, then press enter. Go to save option, then select save and save changes. Fifth, this will appear after you set the USB flash drive in the priority of booting disk. Click next and select install now. Accept the license term, then click next. Select custom as type of installation. 6. Select the disk, then click drive option to format the disk if the disk has not enough space. After that, click next to start the installation. When the installation completed, the computer will automatically restart, then quickly remove the USB flash drive. Last, set up your PC username, date and time, and other configurations. After that, you can finally install any application on your PC. I hope it helps you, and thank you for watching.